Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Approaching the end of this 2 days regional workshop. It's not working? Okay. The closing remarks for the regional workshop on the Islamic World Artificial Intelligence Charter, IWAIC. I'm actually a representative from University of Technology and Applied Sciences. It's not, okay, sorry for this. Excellency, Dr. Salim Muhammad Al-Malik, Director General of ICESCO, dear experts, ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the close of this remarkable workshop, I stand before you with a deep sense of gratitude and respect. Over the past days, we have engaged in enriching discussions, shared insightful perspectives, and collaboratively explored the vast potential of artificial intelligence within the context of the Islamic world. On behalf of UTAS, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to ICESCO and the Ministry of Transport, Communications and Information Technology. Your commitment to advancing AI in the Islamic world, as showed by today's workshop and the elaboration of the Islamic World AI Charter, is truly commendable and deeply appreciated. I would also like to express my sincere appreciation as well to all esteemed experts and participants who have joined us. Your presence, knowledge, and contributions have been invaluable. Each presentation, dialogue, and exchange has added a unique layer of depth and understanding to our collective mission. Your expertise has not only enriched our discussions, but has also laid a strong foundation for the future of the AI in our regions. The insights gained and the relationships forged during this workshop will undoubtedly propel us towards a more innovative and ethically responsible AI landscape. We have witnessed the power of collaboration and the importance of shared vision in shaping a future that leverages AI for the greater good of our societies. As we move forward, let us continue to build on the momentum generated here. Let us strive to implement the strategies and frameworks discussed, ensuring that our efforts lead to tangible, positive impacts. The journey ahead is promising, and together we can achieve remarkable milestones. Thank you all for your contributions. May your journeys home be safe, and may our paths cross again as we continue to collaborate and innovate for a future where AI serves humanity with integrity, wisdom, and ethical soundness. Thank you very much.